Write the following cubes in expanded form. So we have to use here a plus b whole cube. So what is the identity of a plus b whole cube? It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So how I will solve this? This is my a cube. This is b, 1 is b cube plus 3 into a means 2x, b means 1, and in bracket I will write a plus b means 2x plus 1. So now what is 2 cube? 2 cube means 8x cube. 1 cube means 1 plus 2 3s are 6 into 1 means 6x, 2x plus 1. Okay, so this will be 8x cube plus 1 plus 6 into 2, 12x square plus 6 into 1 will be 6x. So this is the solution. So now 2a minus 3b whole cube. So I will use here this identity minus, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, this identity will be used. So what I write here, 2a cube minus 3b cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b, 2a minus 3b. So this will be, what is 2 cube? 2 cube will be 8a cube. What is 3 cube? 27b cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 ab, then 2a minus 3b. So this will be 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 2s are 36, a will be a square b and minus minus plus ab square. Okay, next is x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. So we'll use the same identity minus a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b and a minus b. Okay, so this is x cube minus, what is 2 cube? 8, 3 cube means 27 y cube. So here we can simplify like this, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So this will be 2x into y, xy, x minus 2 by 3y. Okay, so this will be x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x into x square y minus minus plus, you can multiply 2 because there is numerator 1, denominator 1. So 2 2s are 4 by 3 x y square. So this is the answer. Okay, now question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So this is 99 cube. So what we can write? We can write 1000 minus 1 whole cube. It will be 100 minus 1 whole cube, or you can write 90 plus 9 whole cube also. Both are correct. So here I will use the identity, second identity, a minus b whole cube. So a means 100 cube minus b means 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1. So in bracket it will be, what will be in a bracket? 100 minus 1. Okay, so this will be, cube means there will be 6 zeros, minus 1, 3 into 100 will be 300, into 1 means 300 only, 100 minus 1. So this will be minus 1 minus 3 into 300 into 100 will be 30,000, minus minus plus 3 into 100 will be 300. Now we will add this. How much is? So 0 0 1. So now this will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 3 0 0 minus 3 0 0 0 1. So after adding and subtracting, what we will get? We will get the answer is 970299. Okay. Okay. Next question, 998 whole cube. So what we can write? This is 1000 minus 2 whole cube. So again we will use that identity, minus identity. So this is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 in bracket 1000 minus 2. So this will be, there will be 9 zeros. Okay, then minus 2 cube means 8, minus 3 2 is 6, 6 into 1000 means 6000, then in bracket 1000 minus 2. So then again this 9 zeros minus 8, 6000 into 1000, this will be 6 zeros, 6 zeros will be there, 6, then minus minus plus, 6 2s are 12,000. Okay, now you add them 1 0 0 0 0. So now I have taken plus terms together, this plus 12,000 and this one minus minus, it will be plus, so 6 0 0 0 0 0 8. Now again I will add this and I will subtract with this. So you need to add and subtract very carefully because there are number of zeros, are too many zeros are there. So after adding and subtracting, our final answer will be 994011992. So this is the answer. So now question number 8, factorize each of the following. So this is given the expand form of a plus b whole cube. So we have to write what are the factors of this. So now how you will start? This will be 8 means what? 2a whole cube plus b cube plus what are the identity? Our identity was this one, a plus b whole. So we got a cube and b cube. Now we will write 3ab. 3ab means 3 into a means 2a, b means it will be b, and in bracket a plus b means what? 2a plus b. Now you check, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, you will get 12a square b, and 3 2s are 6, ab square. So what will be the short form of this? This can be written as like this, 2a plus b whole cube, which is equals to 2a plus b, 2a plus b and 2a plus b. So now question number 2, 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Here we will use this identity, minus. So what is 27 means? This is our a, 3 cube, minus what is 125 means 5a whole cube minus 3 into what is a means 3, b means 5a, and in bracket what you will write? 3 minus 5a. Now you can check whether you are correct or no. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 into 3 if you multiply you will get 135a, and minus minus, don't get confused, plus kaisa hua, minus minus plus. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 into 5 is 225, a into a will be a square. So what will be the short form of this? This will be 3 minus 5a whole cube. So this will be 3 minus 5a, 3 minus 5a and 3 minus 5a. Now next question, 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. I will be using the same identity, a minus b whole cube. So what is 27? 3p whole cube. What is 216? Actually it is 1 by 6 whole cube. 216 means 6 cube minus 3 into what is your a? 3p, and what is b? B means 1 by 6. Then in bracket 3p minus 1 by 6. Now you may get confused, how we will get 9? Yes, we will get 9 if you cancel this. I will show this part. You see, this 2 when you do like this, it will be minus 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 into 3p, and this will be minus minus plus 3 into 3p into 1 by 6. This will be 1 by 6 2 3 2s are, so what we will get now? 3 3s are 9 by 2p square, and this will be 1 by 4p like this. So no need to be confused. It will come. So then what will be the short form of this now? What we can write? This will be 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So this will be 3p minus 1 by 6. 3p minus 1 by 6.